spotted already. Oh boy, he says. Here you go, bud. What's up, Dolly? Hey, Whisper.
Pardon?
Said, hello, Whisper. She's just like a small honey.
Yeah.
A little bit lighter, but yeah, such similar characters in their head and.
Tootie patootie.
Yeah.
When that heap was smoking, we should have gotten something to take the temperature.
Probed it, yeah. Still probe it. But I wonder what it's in there. I wonder what it is in there. Like in the pile. It's gotta have some heat. Especially with all that snow insulating it. Like
Long legs, eh?
oh yeah, he's starting to fill out, eh?
Yeah.
As well.
Oh, check. So slippery for them to be so careful.
Oh, it's just the shits in there. A new one out of my way, he says. She's gonna come try and get some bottle. Which I don't mind. At least it's breaking her into seeing and. Hello, Whisper.
Hello, madame.
It's not for you.
Yeah.
Tries. Easy, not for you. Whisper, can't go on you. That's it, pal. That's crazy. Crazy. No, that's it. Thanks for gooping me up a bit there, but that's all. That's all. She might be dewormed too.
Yeah.
I don't know when she was done there, so that wouldn't hurt. Everyone else looks good. And that might clear some of that up too. Still moving. Eat the food. That. We're just getting ready here last night. Looks like we are going to start sowing our pepper crop. That's exciting. We got about 2,000 hot peppers to start. We get them done early, so we're ready to go.